Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing some 200-foot LED solar string lights, basically to go around the backyard so that at nighttime the kids can still play on the trampoline, which they love to do. We have a golf net that my 4-year-old loves to hit golf balls on, and they just love being outside. So we're going to install these. It's a solar system, so we don't have to plug into any external power source, which is nice because there really isn't any back here. So let's get the package open and let's see what we got here. Okay, so here's the box. Got it off Amazon. 200 feet ST38 solar string lights. Comes with a remote. Let's see what we got here. Alright, looks like it comes with a couple solar panels. One connected there. Probably, it's going to be, because of the size of it, 200 feet, you're going to need 2 solar panels to charge the whole thing. But it looks like, yeah, it comes in 2 packages of 100 feet, and then they'll connect in the middle. Got a couple remotes, one for each 100 foot. And I'm assuming these are going to be for the solar panels to connect to and just sit on somewhere in the grass, or might have to just drill it up at the top somewhere so the sunlight can get it. But we'll see how this lays out, and we'll show you the process. Okay, so I just installed the first 100 feet. What's cool is you can see the light right here on. Now if you take the sun away, turns off. Now obviously, if you don't want to deal with using it for solar purposes to charge, there is a USB-C port there to charge it, and then obviously that would charge your 100 feet really quickly. But I'm just using the solar feature, so I'm gonna leave it hanging here. I'm gonna bolt this down up at this point somewhere up here in the future after I'm done. But I'll let it charge for now, and I'll show you the 100 feet that we have so far. Now here's the 100 feet we've done so far. Now I just elected to use these 3M taped clips that they came with, and I just did it every 3 lights basically. I'm going to continue to connect them down, but I'm just using this piece of wood to basically give me my layout. So I got all the way down to here. Now the back of my fence is made out of concrete, so I just connected them here, and they held up pretty good. And I walked all the way down. We're gonna do the other half of the fence and complete these lights. Let's see how it looks. All right, now I finished the second side. So that's 200 feet of solar string lights. 30 degrees out, so I'm gonna finish it tomorrow where I can support this better with some hooks. But for tonight it's good, and obviously there's no sun out right now, so I'm using my Tesla power pack to charge it right now. So we'll see what it looks like once I get these things charged up at nighttime. So here's the finished product. Lights are done. Kids are playing on trampoline. Just a nice little touch. Super easy to DIY, especially with the solar. And I think it just looks really nice against the back wall. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And let me know what you think. Would you guys use a solar install for the string lights, or would you use a traditional plug like up in this little system right here? The next one we're going to be probably installing is string lights up here above our little seating area. So catch you on the next video. As always, have a blessed day.